And I'm a student associate here at Texas Health Catalyst. I worked alongside my teammate Anish to support an amazing startup team led by Liqiang, Jimmy, and Chen. And they faced a few challenges as to where it was hard to build a bridge and fill the gap between their business goals and their clinical goals. And to help this, I and my teammate Anish actually put together a project where we would effectively communicate with them and send them equitable items in order for them to actually fulfill them, and we would effectively communicate so that they would do this effectively. And we are so proud and so happy that we were able to contribute to their project, as we are so sure that they are going to be able to make a really big impact in the future. And now I'm going to pass it on to Jimmy to tell you more about their project.
Hi, I'm Jimmy. I'm glad to be here to introduce our promising treatment for the pancreatic cancer that based on activating a unique T-cell subset. Pancreatic cancer, the case is increasing, and the market is growing. It remains one of the deadliest cancer with 5-year survival rate less than 10%. Despite of FDA has approved anti-PD-1 therapy for the pancreatic cancer, the response rate is still less than 5%. And this is indicate the urgent needed for the efficient immunotherapy for it. The reason why anti-PD-1 is not work because primarily they are target the new antigen-specific T-cell, and there are only a few in the pancreatic cancer. But in contrast, there are abundant of self-specific T-cell, but unfortunately they are dysfunctional because of the high tolerant and highly suppressive cold immune environment. So compared with anti-PD-1, our approach can transfer this cold tumor into hot tumor and activate those self-specific T-cell in a safe and efficient manner. And this is a breakthrough that no one else has ever achieved. In our patent, there are 3 key compounds. One, it can target self-specific T-cell to elicit broad T-cell response. And second, there's a unique activation regimen that can outperform anti-PD-1 therapy and improve the anti-tumor response, both in neuron and human tumor organoid. And third, we optimize the drug delivery platform to minimize the side effects. We are an excellent team, including immunologist, drug development advisor, and clinical doctor to bring this project forward. And we highly appreciate our mentors' invaluable suggestions. And we address those issues that are related with IP strategy, large-scale production, and potential market need. And most importantly, we have, because those self-antigen are universally expressed, so our unique advantages is our strategy can have a highly potential applicability to other cancer types like glioblastoma and ovarian cancer, because anti-PD-1 hasn't achieved enough success in this area. And right now, we are working on the preclinical candidate confirmation, and the next step is initialization, the IND-enabling study. Thanks to the TxHc program, we have achieved significant progress. Bring a hope to the treatment of pancreatic cancer. Now we are seeking partner to join our journey. Thank you.
All right, now we can have any questions from the judges. You have 2 minutes. Yes, Dan.
Yeah, that's probably. So we have, like I said, we have 3 components. The last one is we optimized our delivery platform. So this was like another platform that focused on the targeting the tumor area. So yes, it is have side effect, but we can reduce it.
Yes, Van?
So you show what your market is, your global market. My question to you is, as a startup company starting out, where is your beachhead? Where do you start? What size is that market? Who would you target?
Okay, that's a good question. Like, so project market is 7 billion. So we focus on in the future, we focus on, like we talk with our doctor advisor, we focus on the resectable and borderline resectable patient. They are like about 20 to 50 to 40%. So our target market is around 2 billion. Ideally, but potentially, because I said our platform has a high potential applicability to other like low mutation tumor. So potentially we're gonna have a higher, like a bigger market, including other like hard to treat cancer.
Do you know regionally where you would start in terms of targeting potential customers and exits?
The place, the region. Yeah. So right now, the data was from the home world. So I think we're gonna start from US because the US has a big population of this patient. Thank you.